Good afternoon everyone, my name is David and today I have a very special video for you. So you know that YouTube is filled with these videos where people are trying to hassle or DM people in order to achieve their goal. Well, that is exactly what I'm going to do this week. A couple of weeks ago, I made a bet with my friend that I wouldn't be able to get a supercar photo shoot or a ride just by sliding into the DMs of the supercar owners in the London area. And so, that is exactly what I did. Over the next 2 days, I compiled a list of some owners who live around the London area and are active on social media sites as well. This list was 56 names long, and I hoped and prayed that at least one of these owners would be down to doing a photo shoot, I guess. I prepared my heartwarming but short message and started DMing people on a large scale. I was copy and pasting for hours on end, working until total exhaustion, just hoping that my hard work would pay off in the end. On the way, I ran into some obstacles as well, such as that Instagram doesn't let you to message over 20 people within a short amount of time. But with my supreme problem-solving skills, I was able to overcome these issues. And just like that, my mission was back on track. With a small Instagram account, an even smaller YouTube channel, and not so great photography skills, my chances of actually persuading one of the owners were quite slim. But I gave it a try anyway. In the worst case, at least I can make a YouTube video out of this, right?
So, what were the results of my experiment? I'll run you through the numbers. Out of the 56 accounts, 39 owners did not reply to my message at all. And I mean, I don't blame them, to be honest. I was surprised that I received any responses at all. 6 of the owners were no longer in London, which isn't surprising, given that I DM'd a lot of owners with Arab background. One of the owners mentioned that his cars are tucked away for winter. 4 responded that they unfortunately didn't have time to spare. And 5 responded that they would be down, but did not respond any further. One owner also suspected what my strategy was, and somehow figured out that I was copy and pasting the same message over and over again.
So, there you have it. I was actually very surprised by the number of responses that I got and the politeness of owners. But I know that you're all wondering, so did he get to do the photo shoot in the end? After a couple of days, one of the friends/assistants of one of the Arab owners texted me regarding the photo shoot, and we went back and forward regarding the details, but then I got no response at all. The next morning, however, I woke up and received this message. The photo shoot was back on. The communication was a bit fishy, but I proceeded anyway. What did I have to lose? Next day, I texted the guy again if the photo shoot was indeed still on, and I received no response for an hour. He just woke up. Okay, well, that is very, very understandable and very relatable, so yeah, let's just move the photo shoot to 3 p.m, whatever. I was sitting in a uni cafeteria, not knowing what to do, but at 3 p.m. I was ready at Belgrave Square, ready to do some photo shooting. 1 week of DMing and preparations, and it all led up to this moment. Perhaps nothing is impossible, and I found myself a ride and a photo shoot.
2:56. Okay, he's on the way. 3:28. At this point, I'm getting a bit nervous. I've been standing there for half an hour. What if this was a scam or a planned kidnapping? 3:29. Okay, this is understandable. Large garage, lot of cars, difficult to get out, first world problems, yeah. Update, a Lambo passed by. Not the one I was supposed to be photo shooting though. 3:49. The light was indeed starting to run low, with sunset just after 4:20 p.m. And my patience was running low as well. 3:50. And that's it. We met. Hooray! Woohoo! We ended up the day at an underground parking in South Kensington, which was indeed full of supercars, and I went home delighted of what happened. Thank you very much. What an incredible and memorable afternoon this was.
Oh yeah, and by the way, the car that I was photo shooting in the end, it belonged to the Prince of Qatar.